Welcome to the chapter, Confusion of Verbs, rise, arise, raise, and rouse. These words may sound alike, but they are used in different ways. Rise means to go up by itself. For example, the sun rises every morning. No one is lifting the sun, it moves on its own. Raise means to lift something or someone. Like, she raised her hand. She is doing the action. Arise means a situation or problem that comes up. For example, the problem arose during the meeting. And rouse means to wake someone up or stir up emotions. Like, I was roused from sleep by the noise. Let's understand each one better with more examples. Let's look at rise and raise. Rise means something goes up on its own, like a balloon rising or the sun rising. It doesn't need help. Raise means you do the action. You lift something or make something go higher. So we say, she raised her hand. But, the balloon rose into the sky. Also, prices are rising, that means prices are going up. And raise your voice means speak louder. Remember, rise equals by itself, raise equals you do it. Now let's look at arise and rouse. Arise means a situation or problem comes up. Like, a doubt arose in my mind. It just happened. Rouse means to wake someone up or to stir emotions. For example, he was roused from sleep. That means someone or something woke him up. Another example, the crowd was roused to anger. That means they were made angry by something. So, arise is about things happening or appearing. Rouse is about waking or exciting people. Let's recap. Rise means something goes up on its own. Raise means you lift something. Arise is when a problem or issue appears. Rouse means to wake someone or stir emotions. Let's try the blanks. 1. The sun at 6 a.m. Answer, rose. 2. She her hand to ask a question. Answer, raised. 3. A doubt in my mind. Answer, arose. 4. The noise the sleeping baby. Answer, roused. Great work! Now you can tell these verbs apart with confidence. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.